Recently, the National Disaster Preparedness Training Center presented a course entitled Tsunami Awareness. The all-day course was held at the Ala Moana Pacific Center on Kapiolani Boulevard and was led by NDPTC instructors Danny Tingon and Paul Epstein. The course provided a basic understanding of tsunamis, hazard assessment, warning and dissemination, and community response strategies to effectively reduce tsunami risk.
My name is Greg Lefcourt. I'm a retired Honolulu police officer, and I teach at the University of Hawaii at West Oahu. I found most valuable from taking the course the information that was presented relating to tsunamis as it applies to the islands, since we do live here. I do have occasion to discuss with students what happens during tsunamis and things of this nature, so that's very valuable. And in my personal life, knowing evacuation and what areas I live in, I think is very valuable. I found out that some of the instructors had actually come from one from the Honolulu Police Department, two from State Civil Defense, so the credibility of the people that were teaching the class was more than I had ever expected.
I think the most valuable thing I found from this course was just the various people that attended, and people in the police department, fire department, HECO, other government agencies, and just being able to get their perspectives and their viewpoints, and I'll be able to use that in my line of work. A surprise I found out was that the Honolulu Police Department was the primary agency that sounds the alarms during a tsunami event.
My name is Candy Iha. I'm a pediatric nurse. I'm with Children's Disaster Advocacy, and I'm a children's disaster advocate. So one of the most important things I learned about tsunamis, partially how they're generated, but how the warning system occurs, and the timing, learning about how many hours between a distant and one generating, say, from Chile, opposed to one generating from Alaska, and also the importance of urgent or a local tsunami and how to react to that.